The action camera market has seen plenty of innovation over the last decade, but DJI looks ready to shake things up again with its upcoming OSMO Nano. Recent FCC filings and leaked images have not only confirmed its existence, but also given us a glimpse into what could be one of the most exciting ultra-compact cameras in years. Unlike DJI's past releases, the OSMO Nano doesn't appear to be just another iteration in the action lineup. Instead, it feels like a carefully designed product aimed at a very specific audience: creators who want portability, ease of use, and high image quality packed into a truly pocketable form. From what we know so far, DJI is preparing to position the OSMO Nano in a category of its own. While cameras like the Insta360 Go 3S dominate the miniature action segment and GoPro continues to refine its all-in-one designs, DJI seems to be carving out a unique niche, an ultra-compact, modular camera with professional imaging capabilities that goes beyond what other lightweight POV devices can offer. Early leaks and regulatory filings suggest that DJI does not intend the OSMO Nano to be a direct follow-up to the DJI Action 2. Instead, the company appears to be creating something entirely new, purpose-built for those who prioritize mobility and seamless integration over rugged, bulkier, all-in-one solutions. This makes sense when you consider DJI's broader strategy. The company has consistently excelled at blending portability with high performance, from its drones to its handheld gimbals. The OSMO Nano seems to follow that same philosophy, only this time in a form factor that could redefine the ultra-compact POV category. The OSMO Nano will likely appeal to vloggers, adventure athletes, FPV drone pilots, and casual creators who don't want to carry large setups but still demand excellent image quality. Instead of trying to compete head-on with GoPro's Hero series or DJI's own OSMO 360, it's aiming squarely at the ultra-lightweight creator camera space. One of the most compelling rumors surrounding the DJI OSMO Nano is its potential use of a 1-inch sensor. If true, this would represent a massive leap forward in image quality for a camera of this size. Larger sensors capture more light, which directly translates to better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and more detail in shadows and highlights. For creators, this means the OSMO Nano could deliver crisper footage with richer colors, even in challenging environments where smaller sensor action cameras typically struggle. If DJI brings its color science expertise, refined over years of drone and OSMO development, into the Nano, the result could be footage that looks cinematic straight out of the camera, reducing or even eliminating the need for heavy post-production grading. By contrast, the Insta360 Go 3S, a likely rival, uses a much smaller sensor. This gives the OSMO Nano a potential edge right out of the gate. In practice, this would mean sharper details, cleaner shadows, and smoother highlight roll-off, making it stand out from its competition. Leaked images suggest that the DJI OSMO Nano will be DJI's smallest action camera yet. Its overall design looks sleek and minimalist, with a body similar in spirit to the Insta360 Go 3 series. Reports indicate that the camera may weigh under 180 grams. While this is heavier than the Insta360 Go 3's featherlight 39 grams, the added bulk is likely a trade-off for the larger sensor, sturdier build, and a bigger battery. Interestingly, FCC filings have hinted at two model numbers, O001 and OD00001. This has fueled speculation that DJI is exploring a dual component system, where one unit is the camera itself while the other is an external display and controller. Such a setup would give users more flexibility. The camera could remain magnetically mounted to clothing, helmets, or gear for POV shots, while the display unit provides live monitoring and control. This modular magnetic design would make the OSMO Nano not only highly portable, but also incredibly adaptable for different shooting scenarios, whether it's hands-free vlogging, action sports, or drone-mounted perspectives. Stabilization has long been one of DJI's strongest suits, and the OSMO Nano is rumored to take things even further with AI-driven image stabilization. Unlike traditional mechanical or electronic stabilization, which often struggles in extreme situations, AI-powered systems can intelligently predict motion and adjust in real time. This means smoother footage when running, biking, skateboarding, or flying FPV drones, scenarios where traditional stabilization can sometimes falter. The technology could even adapt dynamically, cropping tighter during fast, shaky action for better stability, or maintaining a wider field of view when movement is minimal. If executed well, this feature could make the OSMO Nano one of the most capable cameras in its size class for action-heavy content creation, producing professional-grade results without the need for bulky gimbals. Despite its compact size, the OSMO Nano is rumored to achieve 2 to 2.5 hours of runtime. While not groundbreaking, this is quite respectable for such a small device. More importantly, USB-C fast charging support should allow quick top-ups, enabling creators to get back to shooting faster. For travel vloggers or athletes shooting multiple sessions per day, this fast charging ability could be a huge convenience, helping them avoid long downtime between shots. One of DJI's most overlooked strengths is its ecosystem. The OSMO Nano is rumored to integrate seamlessly with other DJI products, giving it an edge competitors can't match. For example, the Nano could automatically pair with the DJI Mic 3, providing creators with high-quality wireless audio straight out of the box, perfect for vlogging, interviews, or professional on-location shoots. Additionally, the camera might work in tandem with DJI drones, offering perfectly color-matched secondary footage for multi-angle edits. This type of ecosystem synergy would give DJI a significant advantage over Insta360 and GoPro, who lack the same breadth of product integration. The DJI OSMO Nano has the potential to be a truly disruptive product in the ultra-compact action camera market. By combining portability, modular design, advanced stabilization, and potentially a 1-inch sensor, DJI could deliver a device that outperforms current lightweight competitors while still staying accessible in price. For vloggers, athletes, drone pilots, and everyday creators, the Nano promises to strike a rare balance between size, convenience, and quality. If DJI delivers on these leaks and rumors, the OSMO Nano won't just be another action camera. It could redefine what creators expect from ultra-portable POV devices. With a release now expected in late 2025, anticipation is high. And if DJI's track record is any indication, the wait could very well be worth it.